In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Zoho Sheet. Zoho Sheet is a powerful tool, much like other spreadsheet applications, that allows you to work collaboratively in managing and analyzing your data. But sometimes, you might encounter cell ranges or sheets that are locked, preventing you from making necessary changes. Today, I'm here to guide you through the simple process of unlocking these areas so that you and your team can continue working seamlessly. Let's begin by navigating to the top menu of your Zoho Sheet interface. Here, you're going to click on Data. As soon as you do that, a drop-down menu should appear. Within this menu, look for the Lock option and hover over it. You will see another option called Manage Lock Settings. Clicking on this will open a crucial dialog box that becomes your control center for managing locked areas. Once you're in the Manage Lock Settings dialog, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. This dialog box will display all the cell ranges or sheets that are currently locked. You'll also see a list of collaborators and be able to identify which of them have restrictions due to these locks. It's a straightforward interface that provides a bird's-eye view of what's locked and who's restricted. This is particularly useful when multiple team members are working on the same document, allowing you to manage access easily. Now let's locate the specific range or sheet you wish to unlock. Scrolling through the options provided in this dialog box, aim to find the range or sheet that is pertinent to your current project or task. It's vital to pay attention to the list of collaborators. You'll notice a green lock icon displayed next to names of restricted collaborators. This green lock icon is the key to unlocking access. Once you've identified the collaborator you wish to grant access to, you're going to click on this green lock icon. It's a single action that will unlock the specific range or sheet for that collaborator. Doing this immediately updates their access, allowing them to view or edit the previously restricted cells. This enhanced flexibility can significantly improve your workflow, especially when quick updates or collaborative input is required. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked part of your Zoho Sheet. Before closing out the Manage Lock Settings dialog, take another moment to review any other permissions you might need to set. This small action can save a lot of confusion down the line. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Zoho Sheet's locking features. Ensuring the right access for the right people is essential for effective teamwork and seamless data management. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.